Right here I have a 5-pack of these flannel hoodies. What's up guys? My name is TJ and today I'm going to be going over this 5-pack of these flannels. You get a whole bunch of assortment as you can see behind me, whole bunch of different colors to choose from, and it just makes it a great option for late nights in the summer, fall, or springtime. Now these are going to be made with a 70% polyester and a 30% rayon, so it is going to be super comfortable guys. It's going to have a nice little stretch to it, but it's also going to be very soft. It's a lot softer than a lot of other materials that I have worn for a flannel. It's something that just feels good on the skin, and I can wear this all day, especially with having a short sleeve under here. Sometimes flannel shirts can be scratchy on the skin. This does not feel like that at all. And I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium in these, and they fit perfectly. Now this is set up in a more relaxed look. Got the sleeves rolled up and it opened up, but you got a ton of different options because these are button downs. I'm absolutely loving the way that this green looks. This is what it looks like when it's totally buttoned all the way up. We're gonna have buttons on the cuffs here. We're only gonna have one button here. It's not gonna be one that makes this a little skinnier. So this is a little bit wider, does drop a little bit to the wrist, but still super comfortable. We're gonna have whole drawstrings on the hood. Now the hood's gonna be made with a different material, and this is super soft. Look at that material, guys. That feels amazing when you have this thing up. I could just see me at a bonfire wearing something like this, and you're gonna be just super comfortable, and you're also gonna look really good. And when this buttoned all the way down, it fits perfectly and it looks great. Now this red one is the classic. I could see myself also wearing this with a vest, one of those puffer vests, just to complement this perfectly, maybe in the fall days. But I like the way that this is shaped. It does have a taper going around the side here, so that's gonna give you more mobility. And with that being said, it does have plenty of room in it. It's gonna be more of a relaxed fit in the arms, nothing that's tailored, but it still looks really nice. And this one also has the black hood on it. So a couple of these are gonna have the black hood, a couple of them are gonna have the gray hood, depending on which one kind of just looks better during the manufacturing process. But I think the black hood looks amazing with this, and it's still gonna be the same material as the gray hood. Very soft on the inside and just complements this flannel really well. All of these are also gonna come with a practical chest pocket that's gonna have a button on here, so you can throw a couple things in there. That is useful and just adds a little bit more style. This is definitely something that I'd wear on a nice little cool night. Also breathable too. It's nothing that's too hot and just feels like you're trapped in. Definitely lightweight, but something that's nice you could throw on when it's more of a chillier night. I definitely recommend this, and I think it's something everybody should have in their wardrobe. Check out the other color options they have to offer. They all look absolutely amazing, but it's cool you have a 5-pack. You get some options throughout the week and the month to choose from. Thanks for watching. Add this to your Amazon cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.